Principle 1, on the one hand, pertains to the assessment of needs and giving the learners respect and dignity as decision makers, while Principle 6, on the other hand, stands for adults as being in charge of their educational experience. It can be observed that the two principles work in conjunction for a more learner-centered approach, making the program relevant, engaging, and important to adult education. In the above example, the principles are connected as follows. The company's needs assessment informs what its employees needs and expect from training, while the respect for the learners as the one to make the decisions about his or her training, as well as adult education in general opens the secure and verified atmosphere of the training course. This learner-centered approach enhances the effectiveness of adult education programs. And that's all. Thank you.